It's not yet screwed. The jack is not yet screwed on the board. It's clean, but I have to fix it here. This is just temporary. I just wanted to have the template for the tabletop that I'm going to use, so that I won't make a mistake when I'm doing the final one. You see, so it's going up and it's coming down. Look at it on this way, on this side. See, the blade is moving upwards, going up. Yeah, this is just what I wanted. Yeah, and when I'm taking it down, you see, it's going down and coming up again. Sealer, big up yourself, man. Guardian, Justify come first, yeah? See what we do? Hustle 24, 44, 8, yeah? Every time. I like it though. Just like the way it is, the way, it's not bad. And after trying to see how best I could close this gap, close it so that it would be closed in a cabinet, so that the noise would reduce the noise also. Yeah, that's what I have to do next. Give thanks, yeah? To God, give us life, yeah? Rastafari come first, yeah, man? Yeah, see me? But anyway, it's not bad, it's not bad. Yeah. I have to look for a very nice tabletop. This route of table. And fix some rubbers here on the feet there. I just have to weld some bolting nuts there so that you can adjust it to when you take it to an uneven place. Yeah, it's not bad. I just, yeah. So I think I can do some little bit of routing and see where I'm at, you see? But it's not yet properly made. It's not properly made. I have to take out the pattern bit and fix it on it and see what best I can, test it with to see where I'm at. Righteousness comes first, like I said, yeah? See, one of my first pantograph that I made. It was a pantograph I made, you see. It's still working though. It's, yeah, so see. And this was a wheel, a screen printing wheel that I made before. I was in its ruins. Some of the projects that I abandoned. No, I used this. It was a clamp that I built here. I built this with a box, like a clamp for when you're making. I was making beehive boxes, so I created this clamp for it. I didn't end up using it. I just used it for once. You see, some of this was I just spent your money, and after the end of the day, you didn't even use it, or you learned something from it, though. You learned something from it. And also, I was just, I needed some money to buy this metal, so I didn't have that money, so I just, cut it out and use it for this machine here. The part of it is here, see it? And I just bought those pipes, and kind of expensive, but what you have to do is to have to buy it and fix it. But anyway, we give thanks and praise to God for giving us life, successful things that we do every day. We're seeing success and we're learning from it. Give thanks to whoever is watching. Rastafari, this is it, yeah. This was what I was doing today. See how it's going? It's going up and down. This was what I wanted. See, it's a jack. It's a car jack. Yeah, just to lift the router up. Try and see how best I can create a router lift so that it will lift the router. The blade here, it goes up and down, so that you can do your small routing. You know, you have the ability to use the router more efficient and more you know, flexible and stuff. Yeah, right. Give thanks. Some of the small machines helps a lot. The drill, the grinder, and jigsaw, and if you have some other small power tools, it will help you in working. It makes your work more easier, more faster, more accurate, and you know, that's it. You keep on trying all the time, all the best. Do your best, and see. You know, God will do the rest. You know, just try and do your best, and God will do the rest for you. Yeah, because He's give you minds already to know how to do certain things. Yeah, so if you work on it more, you would have more knowledge, more ideas, more inspiration. Yes, we give thanks. Yeah, a little bit of peek of my room. You see how, wow, that's see me. And this is a small studio I wanted to build, and you know, some of my jigs. I used to make jigs all the time. Yeah, this one I made it not long ago, and this one was for a bottle cutter. And some of my tools, you see, small tools, but you know, do what you have. You know, try and buy tools little by little. You reach there. You have all the tools that you need, not in one day, but you just try. Have to try, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks. Machines that you need. Okay, this one was also a screen printing table, a 1 unit screen printing table that I built. Yeah, it's just like this. You fix it like this. Sorry, maybe like this, and you put your T-shirt inside and print on it. It's very nice also, and easy. I used to work with metal scrap. Some of the things I don't buy them. I try my level best to, you know. Yeah, this was a machine that I bought not long ago by help of a friend also. Yeah, and this is a jig also that I built for making finger joints. For making finger joints. See. So you have to be creative, you have to be working every day, think every day. The time that you're partying, the time that you are, you know, chilling and doing all that stuff, someone like you, the same age, the same, maybe it's the same name, or, you know, your own mate will be, you know, studying, doing research, and you have to research. Education, knowledge is good. It's good for you also, to guide you, to keep you moving. See me? We give thanks, yeah, every time. So the idea is to change the tabletop. This one, it's a very light plywood, and it's not very stiff. It's not very strong. So I would love to have a 18mm plywood and join it, place it here, bolt it on this table so that it will be strong. I need a very stable machine, a very stable something that can do a whole lot of things. That would be yes. So it works like this. You see, the beat here. When I turn the jack down, it takes it down. You see, it's going. So the whole essence is just to raise the blade up and down. You see, it's coming up. Yeah. And you can take it down again, you know, so that and it's flexible also. It's flexible. It's, you know, so you see it's coming up again. Yeah, but I haven't yet fixed the jack on the side here, so that that's why it's playing. See, that's why it's playing. It's moving. I have to bolt it here. I don't have a proper metal bit to bore a hole here, to make a hole here, because this metal is very strong, and you need a very strong bit. Yes. Or maybe I will just have to put some wood here to guide it and glue it here, like this, to guide it so that it won't move. Here and here, and glue it there, all around it, like how I built this one. Yes, we just have to, try our level best. Some of these things, like for instance, if I wanted to buy this table with a router, it would cost me around, who knows, 30-something thousand or 20-something $1,000, which I don't have, or I can't do, because I have a whole lot of stuff to do also. So you try and build it. By building it, you have the idea of making machines or building machines, and you have to study also. You have to research. You have to read. Some of things are just not on video, but they're written, so you have to read them. You have to check them out. Yeah. Like we say, righteousness comes first. Big up every youth, man, every ghetto youth, every boy and girl, the blind, the deaf, everyone on the planet of the earth. We just have to, big up them, big up everyone, big up, Sila. Give thanks, yeah? That's all we're doing. The only problem that I have is that I cannot be walking and, holding my phone, making a video. That's why. See, I like it. I just love it. Yeah, man. I just love this. Yes, and I didn't weld this. Someone welded for me. A friend of mine, Allah. Yeah, he welded for me yesterday. Yeah, I should have take photos. I should have taken some photos, but it's. I was not here, and he was. Let me try and test this machine and see. Fire it up and see. Strong, yeah. I like it. And the handle here, I've not finished yet with the handle here. I'm about to make the handle. I will make a handle here, and to make it easier. So it's just a bolt and nut, so and I like it the way it's working, because it's not yet ready and it's working the way I want it. Yeah, you see. Yeah, see. And Gambia, boy, anyone can do something, but we just have to, do what we like. And definitely, you have what you need, yeah. Sometimes they're meeting up, but we have to struggle. We have to, keep up the fight. We have to be doing things for ourselves. It gives us knowledge. It gives us, ham and everything that we can have from these things that we're doing. You see, what a help can, don't help no one. Don't judge no one. Don't belittle no one. You just have to work on yourself. Work on your skills. Work on what you can do best. If it is art, you do it. If it is you're an athlete, you can run. Play football and stuff. You go for it. Yeah, but try and do your best in it. Yeah, that's the most important thing. You just do your best in it. Yeah, man. Sailor. Yes, sir. Wow, I have to buy plywood for the top and use this as a template again to, make my table work. You see. Give thanks, yeah? To Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever shown. You see me?